50-50 because trend is not in my favor, right? If the trend is up and if I'm getting into calls, right, that strategy will be absolutely working for me the most of the times. But this trade, if I get here, if I get into any call options, probability of that trade working in my favor will be less. Why? Because the trend being down. So these key points, everybody. So whenever you learn a strategy, you all tend to do the back testing. So what happens? Any strategy that you take there, if you do the back testing, it will definitely show you that results not in your favor. Why? Because you would not have considered all these things. You will blindly do the testing. Okay, draw the levels, green candle. Okay, यहाँ पे green candle है, यहाँ पे तो बड़ा data है. So here it got failed. Like that, if you do right, so no strategy will be giving you any results. But these key points is what I want you to remember. Okay. So what I am discussing here, the trend being down, when you take any call option, chances of that trade working in your favor will be just about 50-50. Meaning out of 100 times, out of 10 times, if you try for such trades on such scenarios, 50 times it will work in your favor, 50 times it will not work in your favor. For you to get this accuracy big, 10 times failing, 90 times working in your favor, the trend should be up. Correct? So these are the key points. Please do remember. Okay? Very important one. So I'll be answering questions. So I have asked every one of you to please resend your questions in the chat box. Okay? So Prabhakaran, yes sir, I will discuss entry level. Let that strategy get developed, sir. Like I will definitely discuss with you. Hope you can see here, sir. We are not getting any candle today above that resistance. Correct? So if there is one, definitely I will take a trade, sir. With 3000 quantity, I will take the trade, sir. Forget about one lot or two lots. We'll take the trade with 3000 quantity, sir. But let us see. But I want that strategy to be getting developed. So just because, so what I can do, definitely, so here I have parked very big capital, no doubt in that. So I can go and here, like look into this one. Just because market is moving up, 50,900 call option is what I have kept it in my watch list. Can I press on 3000 quantity here and just press the buy button? No. Will that be a proper trade? No. So what I want to follow the rules of that strategy, sir. Okay. Let's see. Will I be getting that? Okay. Prabhakaran, let the strategy get developed, sir. What is the difference in short covering on expiry and non? There is no difference between expiry day short covering and non-expiry day short covering, sir. Both are same only, sir. So there is no such differentiation. Okay. Short covering, I cannot differentiate between a short covering on expiry or non-expiry, sir. Okay. Neeraj Gumadi, your question is what is the strategy to put Bank Nifty call option? You are getting any data from whom, sir? Sir, here hope you have gone through the course videos. Correct? So I am adding these two options in my watch list based on this delta. I will give you one video, everybody. Like hope you have gone through that. Like if not, I'll give you one PDF also. How to select options. How many of you want that notes? How to keep these options in the watch list? How did I keep those things? I'll share you PDF, okay? Just give me 1 minute. Neeraj, I think you have not gone through course videos, my dear friend. Just give me 1 minute, okay? So anybody, please do remember, like most of you, I can definitely see here, have come without any preparation, for sure. Don't do such mistakes, sir. I repeat it, everybody, please don't do that mistake which I did it at the beginning of my trading career.
373. Minus 393. 20 minutes candle there.
So I'm just sharing one notes in the chat box, everybody. I mean to say in your WhatsApp group, please check it. Okay. So trading options simplified. Okay. Neeraj, please go through that note. You will understand why I have kept 50,900 call option or 51,500 put option. Neeraj, I'll give you time till 10:15, sir. Can you go through that note? You can complete that notes within 1 minute, sir. It's small notes only. Where to find OI custom indicator? Giriraj, sir, do you have the course access? Hope you have got the course access. Giriraj, I just wanted to check from your end. Have you gone through the course videos, sir? Let me know. Vara Prasad Kumar Bomanna, kindly put a WhatsApp message. I'll do the note needful, sir. WhatsApp number is 9901192959, sir. Okay. Vara Prasad Kumar Bomanna. That's the WhatsApp number, sir. Let's see here, like right now, what is the trending OI? Okay, it's right now getting 1 million. Maybe then I will be getting a trade. Good one. The market trying to wants to go up with being delta being 1 million. Let's see here. Then definitely I will make money. Anyhow, I got this trending OI on the 1 million. Right now it is just a matter of a candle. Will I be getting that good green candle here? Let's see. If I'm getting that, I'll be definitely buying this option here. Okay.
51. 350 போட்டாங்களா?
So how many of you can see, though it is trying to break that level, it is unable to. Like, it's trying, but no. How many of you can see these lessons, right? Learn it. Very important one, everybody. Because I have seen many people losing their hard-earned money just because taking the trade by looking at a green candle. Don't do such mistakes. Okay? Don't do such mistakes, everybody. That's one of the biggest mistake that you will ever do. How many of you can see what did we tell today? Like whatever the up move that is happening is not backed by any solid buying, and it will not be also. Okay. So here what I needed to do, I just needed to wait for that one candle here. Let's see. Just give me 1 minute. Super. So, Varaprasad Kumar Bommanna sir, please check your WhatsApp. I have sent you the screenshot. Okay. Please check your WhatsApp, sir. So, everybody, how many of you can see above resistance? Have we got any 60 points candle? Everybody, how many of you are learning something new? Those who are beginners? What I have written on my notes here, once resistance is drawn, wait for a clear green full body candle above this. Okay. So how many points it should be for Bank Nifty? It should be 60 points. Now everybody, I have one simple question for you. Have we got any 60 points candle here? Do I have any reasons to take a trade? So for example, when we are getting married, we will be having some different reasons to get married, right? Right? So like that, do we have any reasons here to get into any trade? Right? So how many of you can see there? These are the very little small things is what I want you to learn and remember and implement. Making money in stock market, right, is absolutely easy. Okay, but it is those people who can make is all about those who wait for proper opportunities. So this is where, like for example, I will show you on the screen, like this option itself. How many of you can see after breaching that day high, has that given any solid up move? Everybody think about it. Has that given any solid movement on the upside? The answer is no. Correct? Now what I needed to do here, everybody, very important one. Please do remember, follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, go on, sir. So here, am I fighting with the market? Okay, मेरा पास इतना बड़ा पैसा है, ले लो एक trade. Am I doing such stunts in front of the market? No, right? So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for my turn there. I'm waiting for my opportunity. If it is there, for sure I will go and take the trade. But if it is not there, no. So for example, now I got the data there. Now data is really cool, big one. This is the data which I want. So just because the data is there, can I go for it? No. I want both. I want move plus data. Then for sure I will go for a trade. Making that 6,000, 2,000, 6,999, the course fee, whatever you paid, it is very easy, okay? Even if I buy with 1,000 quantity here, right, recovering that, like, for me, making that 6,000, 7,000 rupees is very easy, because if I buy some 2,000 quantity here, right, like getting that 3 to 4 points will itself cover me that 6,000, 7,000 rupees there. But am I doing such wrong things? The answer is no. So for example, let us say you are running a hotel business. Okay. Now the customers are coming in. So generally you open at 7 a.m. in the morning. Let us assume like that. Okay. Let us consider you are a hotel business, running a hotel business, and you are the owner of that. Generally your restaurant will start at 7 a.m. Now people are coming in. These many people are coming in. Around some 30-40 people are sitting in the lobby, and they are sitting in the lobby at 6 a.m. only. Just because they are there, and will you be in a hurry to like ask your staff to, okay, whatever you want to do, just prepare the food quickly and give it to them? Like that, will you tell? The answer is no. Right? So that preparation of food or whatever breakfast, it takes time, right? So please remember these things. You cannot do that in hurry burry. Just because the customers have arrived at 6 a.m., I cannot break those rules of breaking the rule. Like preparing a food or a breakfast, correct? Those things please do remember. Everybody, very important one. So these rules, if you can understand, right, I will tell you something, one punching line. Nobody has the power in the entire world to stop you from making money. I repeat it again. Nobody has the power and the capacity to stop you from making money in the stock market. How many if you can see again, Nifty is at worst. So these are the days wherein you need to identify as early as possible. See, for example, today, like here itself, it was trying to go down, again it went up. This is where many of the traders would have bought a call option and a put option, call option and a put option, call option and a put option, and lost their capital there. So don't do such mistakes. Never do such mistakes. Look at it, like what exactly the Bank Nifty is trying to do. It's just rotating. Okay. How many of you are learning something new? Money is in waiting, okay? Everybody. Money is in waiting. Most important one. Okay, then again I will just check with questions. Neeraj, I have told you that I have shared you the notes. Neeraj, have you gone through that notes? Let us see. Giriraj Gajari, like, sir, I asked you a question. So, Giriraj, today I want to do this course video, sir. This is just about 13 minutes video. This is where I have explained to you the indicators that I use, sir. Okay, Giriraj, can you complete that and give me the report, like, have you gone through that or not? Just give me that report. And even Neeraj, I'll be waiting for your response. Like you can send it on my WhatsApp. Okay, 990 So once you go through that trading options notes, okay, please let me know on what basis I selected these options. Okay, I'll be waiting for your message, Giriraj and Neeraj, your message also. Nagaraj, your question, sir, is it good practice to go with market price or else we choose our own entry price? Nagaraj, sir, like very great question. Okay, everybody type MPTY to Nagaraj. He asked really good question. For NSE, sir, Bank Nifty, I can go ahead with market orders. Okay, but BSC, whenever I want to trade Sensex, I don't want to go ahead with market orders, sir. See, for example, if I want to buy a put option of Sensex, what do I do? Let us say I want to buy this one. So right now that is trading at 423. If you're trading small quantity, that is perfectly fine, sir. But let me tell you, don't trade market orders on Sensex. Even if the trading platform is allowing you. I don't think so Fires will allow you, but I'm not sure about other trading platforms. But here, let me tell you something, sir. What do? I'll just go to market depth here. Can you see here? This is where I have the orders, correct? So for example, let's say I want to buy an option here. I'll put the number of quantity that I want to buy. So right now here offer price, offer bid. Offer is sell, bid is buy. So I'll just put 1 rupee above the offer. Then click on buy, sir. My trades will get executed. Okay. So that is what I follow, sir, when it comes to BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, in specifically for Sensex. And anyhow, I trade only Sensex, right, in BSC. But when it comes to Nifty, you can go ahead with market orders, no doubt. Okay. Rahul, your question is short covering rally which is happened at 9:30 before is about exiting position of day before. So price got bullish little, then this options also data should be in red means. Ha, Rahul. My dear friend, short covering rally, did I discuss it on options or did I discuss it on Bank Nifty futures, my dear friend? short covering rally, did we discuss it on futures or options?
உடனடியாக அவர்களை புகாரளிக்கவும் உள்துறை அமைச்சகம் வழங்கியது.
Then you should have mentioned Nifty, right? Short covering rally which is happened at 9:30 before is about exiting. So price got no. I don't look at short covering rally on options, my dear friend. Short covering rally, I will use it only on futures, sir. My trade is absolutely based on short covering rally only. Okay, the strategy, that entire strategy is based on short covering only. Okay, but today whatever I was explaining to come to like conclusion whether this up move is backed by solid buying or is it just a short covering rally, I was explaining it on futures, right? So look at that short covering rally only for futures, sir. Okay, because for example if you are considering one particular option, there may be a short covering rally happening. In other option, long build up may be happening, right? In the money it will be long build up happening, and out of the money there will be short covering rally happening. So it is better don't look at that data like that. So otherwise I would have told you to like look at the data from insta options, right? Not on futures, right? So then you have one more question, why change in call OI should be negative data? Now for put options it should be negative, for call it should be positive, correct? Sorry, look into this one, sir. So here what I want, now this is positive, right? That is indicating put side we have more writing than the call side. So I always discuss this one, I assume that big players are always option sellers. Now for all those strike price, look into this one, for all those strike price, okay, we have got 85 lakhs OI, and all those strike price we have got 60 lakhs data here, correct? So today what is happening for all those strike price, put option selling is more than the call option selling. So there is something called as formula we use, PE minus CE, sir. PE option, like put options OI minus call options OI, then this will be the answer, sir. So if you open the calculator and do the calculations, now you will be getting this much answer, sir. Okay, so whenever I'm expecting the market to go up, I want put option sellers more than the call option sellers, sir. Whenever I'm expecting market to go down, I want call option sellers more than the put option sellers. Hope you got the answer, Rahul. And Rahul, one more thing, please do remember, this is not of yesterday's data, this is today's data only, sir. I don't trade based on yesterday's data, specifically that call option buying strategy or put option buying strategy. It should be only today's data, sir, not yesterday's data, Rahul. This trending OI is not yesterday's data, it is only today's data, sir. Right? So I'm not looking at any, like your question is call sell order need to exit the positions of yesterday or before yesterday's, correct? So no, I look at how today big players are positioning themselves and how the market is moving. So if they got trapped, then definitely they have to exit their position. Definitely, like we retail traders fight, sir. Hope you would have seen your friends, like they buy a call option at 100 rupees, it goes to 75, and they will still add some more position. It will go to 30, it will go to 10 rupees. They will be fighting with the market to go above their entry price, correct? And ultimately it will go to zero, then they will end up on losing all the money. But big players are what I believe in, they plan to put money, okay, in the stock market with knowing how much risk is involved. If the market is moving against them, even after so much of the capital whatever they have deployed, if the market is not respecting their trades or if the market is not going in their favor, definitely they will cut their positions, sir. They will not be like a hesitant to exit their positions. Okay, they will accept their losses and move on. Correct. So that is why we get those moves. Otherwise, even if the big people are fighting with the market, right? Okay, fine, we will take it down and up, then we will not be getting this particular strategy working in my favor. Okay. Vinayak, your question is, sir, Vinayak, sir, is it possible that OI data is as per our strategy, but the prices are not required? Also, can we have IV? Sir, let us not add too many things. Sir, what I want a proper tea or a coffee, right? So if I'm trying to put more ingredients, right, then it will be worst, sir. So far, like, hope you have seen it as it, because Vinayak sir, you are there in my trading community since many months, and you have renewed also, correct? For 1 year subscription, I think you have joined, or 6 months, I'm not sure, sir, but you have seen whenever we are using that strategy, it never went against us, correct? That means let us not disturb it by adding one more thing, sir. Okay. So market itself giving you the data here, the hint here, what is that? Vishal, even after 1 hour, I'm not going anywhere, so don't touch me, as simple as it is. Okay, so today I told you, like, look into this one, sir. Data is there, well and good, but the move is not there. Why? Because this up move is not backed by solid buying. Right? It is all about what, sir? Short covering rally. Okay. But what happens? Short covering rally will be like, suddenly we will get one spike and then go sideways. That's what happens. Okay. Remember. So IV better not to include at this time, sir. BNVS Ramu, like, sir, notes I have shared it in the WhatsApp group. Did you please check it, sir? Okay. Did you check the WhatsApp group? Yes, Yuvraj, you can definitely do that. You can do that, sir. Yes. There are no restrictions on that. Okay. Praneeth, I'm very sorry, I forgot it. I will share it by today evening, sir, around 10. Okay. Next time I will be prepared. I understand, sir. Sometimes what happens, weekend you will be having some marriage functions of friends or somebody from the family. I understand that. But somehow, please be prepared, sir. Okay. If not for today, at least for tomorrow. So everybody, this is just like not going anywhere, right? It just wants to halt here only. And look at even Nifty also, very bad. It's okay, but please do remember, these are the days wherein many people lose their money. Okay, these are the days wherein many people lose their, because what happens, they buy simply call option in anticipating that okay, there will be one more up move coming in, and they simply buy, but suddenly there will be a drop because the trend is down, right? So in that case they'll lose big money. So don't do such mistakes. If you have done it earlier, it's perfectly fine, but from today, please don't do it. Bhupati Rangaswamy, it is not getting downloaded. Like in WhatsApp, sir, like what you can do, just click on that PDF, and I'm not sure you are using Android or some other thing. Okay, let's see. So in Android, like for example, there will be three dots at the right top corner. There will be download option. Please check it, sir. Okay. Arshad, I'm sorry, you asked me to repeat something. Sir, can you please let me know like what do you want me to repeat? Like I will explain it to you one more time. BNVS Ramu, sir, like today I want to apply this strategy, sir. Okay, let's see. So right now, so far we got really trending why this condition has hit, sir, already. Okay, look into this one. 1 minute. Trending why is 1 million, sir. That is there right now. So what I want, I just want a moon right now on Bank Nifty, which is not happening. It would have happened provided the trend is up. As the trend is down, it is not happening, sir. Because nobody will get that, like let us see, nobody will dare to put such big amount of money to buy stocks in such very beaten up market, sir. Okay. Any up move that is happening, please do remember it's not going to be smooth because it is a short covering rally, everybody. Look at it. How many of you have seen? These are the kind of the move which have frustrated you a lot in the past, because you would have taken those trades blindly. Okay, market day high per high, buy call option. Sir, how much time it will take for me to get like buy some 500 quantity here, some 2000 quantity? Not even 1 second. I can just go and press a buy button here. Like it won't require even 1 or 2 seconds. Correct? But why I'm not doing that? Because first of all, I need to learn few things. I'll respect the money that is parked in your bank account, so that it won't go anywhere. Correct? Meaning, don't trade blindly. Okay? Vinay, can you send your questions here? Vinay, do one thing, pretty simple. Like, whenever you're in live session, right, like you can send your questions here itself. I'll be answering your questions. Vinay Gangapuram. Overall volume is around 5.5 crore in Nifty. Shall we consider this data to analyze the moment? No, Yuvraj. The answer is no, sir. Satish J, like I have shared the notes in the WhatsApp group. The title of that notes is all about options trading, like trading options simplified. It is there in the WhatsApp group, sir. Satish J, can you please check it? So at this moment, like I will remove this one because that option right now is trading around 200 rupees, right? So then I will have to select different one there. I'll keep in my watch list 51,900. Satish, No, Madhavra sir. Don't do that mistake in your trading career, sir. Don't dig the stock market for a trade every day, sir. That is the reason. Let me tell you, sir. Like people not only losing money, they are losing their life plus home, house, office, everything, sir. Don't do that such mistake, sir. It's if it is giving you the move, please go for it, sir. Otherwise, don't dig it, sir. I repeat it again. Whether you want to catch 10 move, 10 points, 50 points, 100 points, fine. But please go ahead with the things, sir. Like don't do in that way, okay? Because you can just even SEBI report itself says like 89% of the traders lose money, sir. Okay, like I'll show you on the screen here. Remember, like it's good that you asked a question. Everybody, please do remember. 1 minute. एक मिनट सर. %93% of individual traders in account losses in equity F&O between FY22 and 24, sir. These are all the people who are looking to catch every move, who are looking to trade every day, sir. Simple, nothing else. Okay, and aggregate loss exceeded more than 1.8 lakhs, sir. Okay, look into this one. Top 3% of loss makers, approximately 4 lakh traders, faced an average loss of 28 lakh rupees per person over the same period. Okay, and look at this one, sir. Like that's really big one. On an average, individual traders spent 26,000 rupees per person on F&O transaction costs. They simply trade randomly. So for example, here market down, move or high. So what do they do? Like they will simply go and buy, okay, buy call options or put option, done. So anybody can do that trading, right? Like whatever I did it right now, right? So can you see here? This is what most traders do, right? So like for example, look into this one, sir. Can you see here this option, whatever 467, 471 I exited right now only. But was that a trade with some preparation? The answer is no. That was just because market is going down here, correct? So don't do such mistakes, sir. Look at this SEBI report. Okay, please don't do that. This was released on 23rd of September. Okay, Sharad Kumar, I just wanted to check, like, may I know your email ID, sir? Sharad Kumar. Desktop, then I have not used desktop, sir. Can you please check? Bhupati Rangaswamy. No, sir, Madhav Rai, sir. Like definitely, I am not convinced yet to go for it. Otherwise, like how much time it will take, sir? Like how I shown you one trade here. The same even 2,500 quantity, 3,000 quantity also will not take big time for me. Correct? To enter into a trade, but I am not doing that because there is no such opportunity. Look into this one, sir. Like what you want to do whenever you have such move, sir. Please avoid.
எங்க போற என்ன வாங்க போற போய் எடுக்கல அவர் போனு
அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண முடியும் எனக்கு பசிக்குதே அதை பத்தி உனக்கு என்ன கவலை எனக்காக எதுவும் பண்ணணும் நான் கேட்க மாட்டேன்
Arshad, you are referring to options delta. Okay, fine. This one. Sir, here what do I do? So, for example, Bank Nifty, right? Calls and puts. I'll just bring that notes on my screen here, okay? I'll explain to you. 1 second, sir. Can you see here, Arshad? Trading options simplified. Key points to remember. Weekly expiries now only for Nifty and Sensex. SEBI has removed weekly expiries for Bank Nifty, BankX and Fin Nifty. Currently, weekly options expiry exists only for Nifty and Sensex, right? So, what do the method that I use, sir? For Nifty, I can definitely directly go ahead with the premium, which is trading about 200 rupees, sir. Okay, so for example, Nifty, right? Look into this one, sir. I can directly select this option if I want to go for a trade, because weekly options expiries, I'm okay with that. This option is trading about 200 if I want to buy call options. If I want to buy put options, I can select the option which is trading about 200 rupees, right? I can directly do that. But when it comes to let's say Sensex premium, I would select above 400 rupees, sir. Okay. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, sir, this is only for selecting an option to trade, okay, not to do the analysis. Now we have only monthly expiry. I will choose the strike price based on delta, sir. Okay, I want it to be at least of 0.5 or more than that. Okay, anything less than 0.5, I don't select those options. Okay, so for example, just a minute back, I have kept this option in my watch list. Which option it is? 51,900 put option, sir. Why? Because the delta of this option is somewhere around 0.8, sir. Okay, so you can select any of these things, 0.5, 6, 7, that's your wish. Got it, right? Yes, sir. Sorry for making you to wait for too long time, but that's the way, sir. Okay. Sharat, like I asked for your email ID. Have you said it? I will just check it. Okay. For trending, it will see only last 20. Absolutely, sir. Okay. Sharat Kumar, good question. Okay. So here, for example, if I look at 5 minutes, right, Sharat, if I'm using 1 minute only, then it is getting the data of last 20 candles. So 1 minute will not be relevant, even 3 minutes also, even 5 minutes also. So that is the reason what I'm doing. I want last 20 days data. Okay, what exactly is happening in the market. Okay, and last 30 minutes also, at least last 10 hours, like for example, one and a half a day, what is happening there, correct? So that will give a brief idea. Okay, fine, this is what exactly happening. So generally, like when you get that trend down on both the time frame, like 30 minutes and even on daily time frame, that will be really good opportunities. Okay, but last week there can be question in your mind, Sharat. The question is, Vishal, last week, I don't know whether you have that question or not, but anyhow, I'll tell you, sir. Last week here it was up, 30 minutes was down, then how did you trade? Whenever something trades below 20 SMA, sir, that is a negative sentiment. I repeat it again, whenever something trades below 20 SMA, that is negative sentiment. Okay. Very important point. Satish, hope you got it. Yes, Madhavara sir. Okay. What will be the premium for stocks and its delta? Vinayak sir, like pretty simple, like let's say Infosys. Okay. So example, it is right now trading at 1900, sir. Generally, what do? I will prefer at the money options only, sir. Okay. Meaning, Infosys is trading at 1900. I will look into the options which is very close to that, sir. Very close to the current market price. Okay. Generally, what happens if I am going by out of the money or deep in the money for stock options, volume will be less. For example, can you see here? This is only 42,000. Sorry, this is 10,000. Correct? That is, these two options are in the money. Correct? So here also, if you look at it, right now it is trading around here. So if you go by below that, volume is absolutely less. It is better to look at the strike price, the options which are there very close to the current market price for stocks. Okay. Vinayak. Sir, did you understand? Let me know. So sometimes what happens, even after I give you the answer or the reply, you may not be convenienced. That does not mean that you cannot ask one more time. You can ask me to repeat it again. Like I'll definitely explain it to you. Okay. Till the time you understand, please ask me. Okay. I'll definitely reply it. Yes, sir, that is what I need to do, right? What I believe in, give respect and take respect, right? So, if I'm not calling you by sir, then that's the way we respect, right? Not just because mentor, I cannot take anything for granted, right? Yes, sir, we have to be down to the earth, then only money will come to us. Otherwise, no.
$533. $543.
Sharath, I will send you the details on WhatsApp, okay? I'll just note it down your
533.
email ID.
523.
I'll send you the details. Okay. So I'm just extending this session by another 20 minutes, okay? Because there is not any move happening, okay? And I have a few more questions to answer here. With all your permission, I'll just extend it a few more points, okay? A few more minutes. Thank you. After
533.
yes, Arshad. Arshad, like anytime you get a question, please ask me, sir. I am there always to answer your questions. That is good one, Arshad. You want to trade with right knowledge and discipline. Yes, sir. So don't think like, okay, Vishal, if I ask questions to Vishal, will he be thinking like a basic question, silly question, or advanced question, or wrong question? No.
533. 535.
I'll definitely give the explanations, okay? We'll reply to all your questions.
533.
Yes, sir.
43.
Pawan,
48.
the question is Friday closing of Bank Nifty time frame is 57.59. But when I switch to 10-15 time frame, okay, good question, Pawan. Shinde sir, look into this one. So this is what you are saying, right? On daily time frame chart, closing as is at 57.59. When you switch to any other time frame, now closing is coming somewhere around 50,872. Sir, what happens at this moment, okay, till we get any further circular from SEBI, what they do is,
533. 513.
closing of the market, they will take based on last 30 minutes volume weighted average price, whatever, okay? So last 30 minutes data they will take, and then they
513 on the
the
chart.
mechanism for that, okay? So that is why you see it, sir. Okay, So on daily time frame, whatever you can see there, like that is all on the last traded price, sir. 50,759. That was the last transaction happened, sir. Okay, it is called as LTP, correct? Last traded price, sir. Okay, but here that closing is all about based on the weighted average price, sir. Okay.
average.
Pawan, sir, thank you.
38. 539.
Sitaram sir, sir, can you send a screenshot? Like I will just check it. Sitaram Rao, sir, like you can send it on WhatsApp. Once the session gets over, I will let you know. So your question is, you have opened an account with Fires, but you are unable to see the data and charts, right? Let us see what's the thing happening. Just send me a screenshot on WhatsApp, sir. I will just check it and let you know.
548.
You're most welcome. Good morning, Bhaskar sir. Where we can find futures open interest data, whether Nifty, Bank Nifty. Bhaskar Reddy sir, like that is simple. Like either you go to this search box, or else on Fires, if you type just any letter, you will get to see this one. Okay. So for example, let us say, sir, like I'll take the stock name from the first letter of your name, like let us say Bharti Airtel. Okay, so here can you see all types, stocks, futures, option. I'll select futures here, Bharti Airtel, December, January, February. I'll click on it, and can you see, sir, we're getting the open interest, right? This is how you get it, sir.
Oh my god.
And you ask for HDFC, I'll just take HDFC Bank. Can you see here, sir? You click on the thing that you want, go for it, sir.
555. That's portfolio. Budget P&L 798. 564 budget. 570 budget.
You're most welcome, sir. Sharat Kumar, good question. The chart you are showing is no. I generally use index chart, sir. Okay, so for example, today I was discussing with you trend, support, resistance level. It is based on index level only, sir, not on futures. So I will follow index level, sir. Okay. So Bank Nifty is trying to go up, but one problem here is all about it did not give us any kind of big green candles above that level.
28, 38, 48,
Okay.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 25
It's okay.
points கொடுத்தது
Perfectly fine, it happens.
இன்னைக்கு எவ்வளோ நம்மளுக்கு ஃபண்ட்ஸ் எவ்வளோ 22,813.
Let's see, like will this move be continuing or not? Okay. And next question is from Vinayak sir, like what should be the premium for stocks? I think I answered that. Okay. One of our video is ATR. Can you please make a detail now? Yes, sir. Sir, ATR, average true value. I go to indicator here. Sorry. Average true range. Now look into this one, sir. Just give me 1 second, okay? So right now it's trying to go up. So this
700
one,
points.
51,000, where exactly it is trading? It is trading at 500 rupees. Just do one thing. 51,000. Let's see. Sir, average true range, for example, for Bank Nifty, sir. Okay. So here it is 14 days. I can use it for 14 days, or I can use it for last 10 days also. Generally, I use it for last 10 days, sir. Okay. So why we use this indicator? Look into this one, sir. Average true range meaning last 10 days range for bank nifty 745, meaning from high to low 745 points is the average move that the bank nifty had given in the last 10 days, sir. Okay, now how can I use this one? Okay, for example, sir, if again market starts to break down today, being the trend down, like let us say what is the high got created, sir, right now 51,470, correct? So if the day low is getting broken, if there is any solid data like day low is somewhere around 51,000, I can expect another 300 points down move to happen based on this number, sir. Okay, because the day high is somewhere around 51,400. Okay, so if I deduct some 700 points, the answer is going to be somewhere around 50,700 there, correct? So I can expect the bank nifty can stretch till that level. Okay, not in one straight line, but it takes time on that day. So that is how we can use that level, sir, like average true range. Okay, so right now already first 1 hour is completed, right? So I'll put hourly time frame chart here. Okay, that is one method is what I can use. Okay, so another method that I can use this concept, look into this one, sir. So today's low is 51,000, already some 400 points move had happened. If market sustains above the first 1 hour high, sir, okay, like let us say if there is any strong move happening, then there can be another 300 points move happening on the market. Why? Because ATR on the daily time frame chart is 740 points, right? So already 400 points move happens here, another 300 points move it can happen. So like that we can use this concept, sir. Okay, very important. Can we trade a particular stock on a quarter result day so that we may get a good volatility? Yes, Pradeep Kumar, we can absolutely trade based on that. But generally what happens are like when you have any announcements to come in, if it is like let us say scheduled news, generally what happens, the option premium will be like having that like let us say IVs will be more, sir. Okay, implied volatility and the option pricing will be very high. So what happens, even if you get volatility, good one, no doubt in that, like that's really good for option buyers. But one thing, the move in the options, I'm not sure, sir, will it be the same or not? Because earlier, sir, like I used to follow one simple strategy, but that stopped working in 2015 and somewhere in between 15 and 17. The strategy is pretty simple, sir. Like we all have made that really good amount of money being students, okay, engineering students who used to make money on one trade. What is that? If there is any result today, then we used to buy call option and put option. Put some 10,000 rupees here and put some 10,000 rupees here. Like buy call option and buy put options also. So what happens if there is any move of 5 to 6%, like let us say on the call side, then call option used to give you the 200% move, that is double of the money, like almost 3 times. And put side, even if it goes to 0, right, at least we would have made some 10,000. So like that we used to trade by sitting in the last bench. But as it circulated more and more, then all these gimmicks of increasing the premium of options, then that started, sir, from exchange.
Hello?
Because that was circulated by a big way there, okay? Like our batch of 2011 to 15, like that's what we did. Now even this lesson also, sir, like for example short covering rally, let me tell you, sir, like this option only I will show you, okay? Look into this one, sir. Now bank nifty gone above the day high. If like let us say if this was 2016-17, this is where I used to buy the call options, thinking that okay, that will continue. But today I'm not doing anything because I have learned all those hard earned lessons look into this one. There is not any trade in my account today with a bigger quantity, because today for sure I know that okay, that move is happening, whatever move is happening is short covering rally, sir. Can you see, sir, one more time what they did? They took the market till this level and again buried. They are reversing it, sir. Okay. So if you can survive today, right? Tomorrow monthly options expiry day is there. You can make easy money. But today with some unwanted trade or wrong trade, if you lose some 10,000, right? Let us say example. If somebody loses some 10,000 today because of some unwanted or wrong trades, tomorrow when actually the move is coming in, those people will not be having that confidence to go for that trade, but actually that trade would turn out to be a really big one. Then they will just keep on watching, okay, market going down or going up.
லேண்ட்லைன் இருக்கா சார்
Today actually, let me tell you, sir, today is the day to protect money. Okay, otherwise if the market wanted to give us the move right on the upside, the move would have come in right now.
8
How I am saying that? Like, am I saying it just because
8
I have some
463.
Zoom platform here? The answer is no, sir. I will tell you why. Everybody listen to me. The most
யார்
important
எடுத்தாருன்னா
one. If
சொல்லலாமா தெரிஞ்சுப்பாங்களா
look into this, I will bring
சரி,
Bank
சரி.
Nifty
Okay,
futures
okay.
chart for that.
ஆ,
So when do we get short covering rally?
ஆ, சரி
In two
கொடுப்பாங்களா
situations.
சொல்லிடுவா மாதவன் சொன்னா
One,
சொல்லுவாங்களா
when somebody wants to book their profits really by a big way.
மீனா
Correct.
காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் சரி சரி
When somebody is booking
87788
big profits,
48463
bigger quantity, we'll get to see
Okay,
like
thank you,
short
sir.
covering rally means suddenly like there will be in 1 minute, 2 minutes, there will be 200 points move happening. That is not happening today. Okay. So today I'm saying, okay, what exactly is happening? All these sellers, they are not scared at all. It's okay. Whatever some up move is happening, let it happen. If we want, we will exit it. If any big players have decided here, right, to exit bigger quantity, really we would have got some continuity and some kind of a trending move. But we are not getting that. I think they would have decided, okay, let's not exit any bigger quantity. Maybe they are preparing to take it down one more time. Possible. Otherwise, if somebody would have exited by this time, 2 hours, sir. Correct? So 2 hours market is sustaining at higher levels. Then don't you think somebody would have at least taken the market on the upside? Even after 2 hours, it is not like, for example, look into this one, sir, like Bank Nifty. Here, it just giving you like, after this move, it's, nothing is happening. Specifically after this candle, nothing is happening, sir. After 10 o'clock. Correct. So that is giving me an indication that okay, those big players have decided not to either exit their positions with a bigger quantity. Maybe they are distributing with small quantity and coming out of the market, or may not be. Okay. So that is the most important one, sir. So otherwise, the market would have given you a really nice move today. Like how we got it on 13th of December. What happened on 13th of December, sir? Hope you remember. Remember the dates, okay? Like for example, can you see here? 13th of December. This was the move that we would have got, sir. It never stopped there. Initially went down, then after that it never stopped. It kept on moving on the upside. Correct? So for every half an hour we were getting some 100 points move, but today, like after 10 o'clock, that's the market for you.
என்ன
Okay.
பேட் பாய் அன்னைக்கு நீ தூக்கம் வரலன்னா வந்து தூக்கு படுத்துன்னு மேலே போய் தூக்கு படுத்துன்னு
Ilay Kumar, your question is, can we use this on any stock? Yes, sir, you can use. Definitely you can use, sir. Ilay Kumar, sir, like, if possible, can you complete this task? I'll give you one stock name, sir, okay? If you want to, you just rewrite that notes, okay? You can use even bullet points also, no need to write everything in detail. You can use bullet points. Even in the stocks also, like, there is nothing. So I have shared with you the call option strategy there. Ilay Kumar sir, like, can you do it for like, let's say Bandhan Bank? Okay, please do it, sir, if possible. Let's see. Anything, like, if there's, yes sir, okay, or you only just select any stock, sir, because you'll be having some favorite stock. You just select it, just rewrite this note, okay? If you don't, like, in case if you don't have time, you can use bullet points, okay? I'll give you time till tomorrow morning, sir. Send it to me on my WhatsApp. I'll personally check and I will reply to you. And again, for 2 people, like, I have given you some tasks, please complete it. Okay, Neeraj. So Pradeep, I answered your question. So today, like everybody, I did not get any opportunity in this session, hence I did not go for it. Okay. The OI has to be analyzed for particular strike price for call or put option for a current day for making trade. Good question, Kannan Ragavachari. Sir, like, if it is expiry day, I can use it one particular strike price. Okay. Otherwise, it is better to go ahead with primary strike price. Above and below that, some 5 strike price we can select. Yes, Neeraj, I will check it, okay? Thank you so much, Neeraj. Everybody, like, please do not hesitate, okay? Like, I'm there always to answer your questions, to reply your questions. Please ask me. You said ATR is 745. Is it we can consider from the yesterday's high or just 1 hour candle? No, today's move, sir. Today's move, Vinayak, sir. Okay, so for example, today Bank Nifty had gone up 400 points from here. So if you're expecting, okay, how many points it can go up, based on that method, then I can tell you, okay, fine, another 300 points. If it is, but I want the market to trade comfortable above 1 hour range, sir. In Bank Nifty for a move 160, this is watching index. Other than delta, any parameter will it impact, especially in red candle? Good one, sir. Good question, Rahul. Rahul, that happens because of time value, sir. Okay. So for example, I will tell you something, sir. What is that? Let us select, you said which option it is. 51,000 call option, okay. I don't know why I'm clicking on buy button. Fingers want to take a trader. Neeraj, look into this one. I will just bring 2 charts on the screen. I will put Bank Nifty here on the right side. We'll do, just check something here, okay? Really good question, Rahul. Appreciate your effort to ask that such questions. So Bank Nifty went up from 51,275 to 51,425. Let us assume like that. Okay. In fact, it went till only 470, but I will consider it as 150 points. Okay. For 150 points, this option went up. Like let's say, we will have to look at timing of that candle. It is 10:45. It is 10:45. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, from 420 to 520, sir. 100 points it went up. Correct. I'm just taking round numbers here. In fact, it is 414 to 521. So that means delta is around 0. Somewhere around, let us say 100 points. If it is going 0.76 somewhere around, let's check what is the delta at this moment. It is 0.8, right? So when it is going up, sir, like for 100 points example, it went 80 points. Now here it has collapsed. Look into this one. Bank Nifty, it went down from 51,417 to 51,329. Okay, that means again I'm going to consider this as around 90 points. For 90 points, this had gone down from 520 till 444, sir. Correct. So around 80 points only. Sometimes what happens, we may lose big also, like more than that 80 points also it can. Why? Because if you go by the formula, sir, okay, how do we calculate option premium, sir? There is a formula to it, right? Call option premium is equal to current market price minus strike price. Correct. Let's do this. So current market price minus strike price. Where exactly we have this one? 51,400. I'm taking round number for ease of calculation. Which strike price? 51,000, sir. Okay. What should be the answer? 400. But where exactly the market is trading? This option is trading 66 rupees. That extra 66 rupees is all about called as time value, sir. TV, time value. Okay. So what happens as we go very close to that expiry time, right? That 66 rupees, like that option will be losing that time value, sir. It will go down, sir. Okay. So this has to be the intrinsic value, but it is trading at 466. So that is all that 60 rupees is called as time value, sir. So what happens whenever market is going down, right? This call option, it will lose its time value fast, sir. Okay. Rahul, that is the reason. So because of theta effect, sir, that option losing its time value is called as theta effect. Okay. Yuraj, like, can you explain, like, can you please tell me, like, what do you want me to explain on Reliance? See, for example, your question is on Reliance. One second, sir, I'll just open it. Reliance here.